Welcome to a brand new video. In this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, which is the rise of drones. I will explain you how drones have become a future-oriented business. Also we will cover a few emerging stocks from the drone business sector that you can study. Now, let's talk about what is going to be the future of drone technology. The future of drone tech is poised for remarkable evolution with key trends: increased autonomy through advanced AI, revolutionizing operations, expanding applications from infrastructure inspection to life-saving missions, advancements in battery life for sustainable solutions, and regulatory adaptations for safe integration. This promises to redefine our interaction with the skies and unleash the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles across industries, balancing innovation with safety. Now let's talk about some use cases of drones. Let's start with drones in defense and security. The rise of drone technology marks a new era of surveillance, empowering military and law enforcement with bird's-eye monitoring of critical areas. These unmanned aerial vehicles provide unmatched situational awareness, bolstering security and response. Advancements have birthed combat-ready drones, potent for targeted strikes and tactical missions. In today's dynamic landscape, drone dominance is pivotal for nations vying for military and security supremacy. Evolving drones will shape future warfare and global security strategies significantly. Now, let's talk about drones in logistics and delivery. Drones have revolutionized logistics by enabling efficient cargo transport, especially in remote areas. They streamline distribution networks, enhancing accessibility. In emergencies and healthcare, they're crucial for delivering medical supplies, saving lives. Drones also revolutionize agriculture with precision techniques, optimizing resource use and crop health monitoring. As drone tech advances, its role in cargo transport, medical delivery, and agriculture will expand, promising greater efficiency, accessibility, and sustainability across sectors. Now, let's talk about drones in entertainment and events. Drones have sparked creativity in aerial performances, delivering mesmerizing light shows and stunning displays at events. Their agility and precision craft captivating spectacles, leaving audiences awestruck. Additionally, drones are vital for event filming, offering dynamic footage of concerts and festivals from unique angles. In construction, they revolutionize monitoring, mapping, and tracking project progress efficiently and cost-effectively. With high-resolution cameras and mapping software, drones enhance safety and project management. As drone tech advances, its applications in performances, filming, and construction monitoring will grow, offering innovative solutions across industries. Now, let's talk about drones in agriculture and mapping. Drones equipped with specialized sensors and cameras have revolutionized precision farming by enabling detailed crop health monitoring, early detection of stress or disease, and targeted interventions. They optimize irrigation and pesticide application, minimizing waste and environmental impact while maximizing effectiveness. In terrain mapping, drones offer cost-effective high-resolution mapping and surveying, aiding urban planning, infrastructure development, and land management. For environmental monitoring, drones track conditions in remote or hazardous areas, providing real-time data on deforestation, wildlife populations, and natural disasters. They play a crucial role in conservation and environmental stewardship efforts, offering safe and efficient data collection. Now, let's talk about the importance of drone training and education. Specialized drone training programs are emerging to equip individuals with the skills to operate drones safely and effectively. Schools are integrating drone technology into their curricula to prepare the next generation of enthusiasts and professionals. With the expansion of drone usage, there's a growing need for education on navigating regulatory landscapes. Efforts are also underway to enhance accessibility, making drone technology more widely understood and adopted by the general public. Now, let's look at the regulatory landscape and challenges in this sector. Drones are reshaping industries like defense, logistics, agriculture, and entertainment, heralding a technological renaissance. However, regulatory hurdles loom large as policymakers grapple with integrating drones into existing frameworks while ensuring safety standards. Despite challenges, the drone sector offers a fertile ground for entrepreneurial ventures, inviting startups and innovators to carve out niches with pioneering solutions. As the skies become increasingly populated with these unmanned marvels, the future promises a blend of innovation, regulation, and entrepreneurial spirit, shaping a landscape where drones soar as symbols of both technological prowess and economic opportunity. Hence, keep your eyes on emerging drone sector stocks like Dronecharya Aerial Innovations Ltd, who is a burgeoning SME specializing in pioneering drone solutions tailored for diverse industries. Meanwhile, Paras Defense stands as a prominent figure in the drone and aerospace technology arena, prioritizing defense and security applications. RattanIndia Enterprise, a diversified conglomerate, extends its reach into the drone realm through its subsidiary, Holy Aero, which offers comprehensive drone training and services. On the frontier of innovation, Zen Technologies emerges as a high-risk, high-potential player in the drone technology sector, experiencing remarkable growth in recent times. Together, these companies exemplify the dynamic landscape of the burgeoning drone industry, poised for continued evolution and expansion. This is not an investment advice. Please consult with your investment advisor before making an investment decision. This video is only for education purposes. Tell us your thoughts on these stocks in comments down below. Also, don't miss out on the opportunity to supercharge your knowledge game. Do like this video if you found the content informative and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with future videos like this. Thank you for watching.